In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export in make.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing scenario into your Make account using a blueprint file, and how to export your own scenarios so you can back them up or share them with others. First, make sure you're logged into your make.com account. From there, head over to your main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can see your organizations, scenarios, and other resources. If you're not already on it, you can usually get there by clicking the logo or home option in the top navigation. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. From that menu, click on Scenarios. This will open up the Scenarios page where you can see a list of all the automations you've already created, along with options to create new ones. Next, we're going to start a fresh scenario so we have a place to import our blueprint. Look for the Create Scenario button, usually at the top right of the scenarios list, and click it. This opens the scenario editor, which is the canvas where you normally drag and drop modules to build your automation. Inside the scenario editor, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional options related to this scenario. From the drop-down that appears, click on Import Blueprint. This is the option that allows you to bring in a scenario that has been previously exported as a blueprint file. A dialog window will pop up, prompting you to choose a file. Click on Choose File, then browse your computer for the blueprint file you want to import. It will typically have a JSON extension. Select the file, then confirm and click Save. Make will now load that blueprint and build the scenario for you, Mayu. Once it finishes, you'll see all the modules laid out on the canvas, ready for you to configure or run. Now let's look at exporting. With the scenario open in the editor, go back up to that same 3-dot menu in the top right corner and click it again. This time, choose Export Blueprint. As soon as you click it, Make will generate a blueprint file for the scenario, and your browser will automatically start a download. Save this file somewhere safe and organized so you can reuse it later, move it between environments, or share it with collaborators. And that's all you need to import and export blueprints